Hi, Luciana here. Someone in the group asked me how to achieve this design or this pattern. What is important is set your grid to the distance of how far you want the lines to be apart. If you want the lines to be apart 2 millimeters, then set your grid on 2 millimeters. That's important. So let me close this one. And therefore, right mouse click on grid. I put it already on 2, horizontal and vertical. And snap to grid is on. And if you go to general, because snap to grid is important, go to general and check mark your crosshair cursor. It's easier. Okay. Now we go to digitize. We are already in digitize. Digitize open shape. And I'm going to put here exactly at the point of the grid or the cross of the grid. Now I get 2 lines crossing each other. That's what I want. Left mouse click. I drag it, say to here. Again, I want 2 red lines and enter. Select that line, go to create layouts. In version 1 it's layout, and go to mirror copy horizontal and click enter. Don't touch anything, click enter. You want to merge the overlapped objects? Yes, because I want it to be one object. If you go to sequence, you see it's one object. Click on it, and in version 2 we have copy array. In version 1 you have not. In version 1 you have to right mouse click, move it till it's touching and you see the red. Select it, pick it up, move those 2, and you keep on going. If you have version 2, the only thing you need to do is select this one, go to copy array, and here I want 25 rows, and I actually want 1 column, but I cannot choose for 1 column. I can only choose 2, so I leave it at 2. Now move your cursor, and you will see what will happen. Move it as close as you can. I will let it overlap a little bit because I want to show you another thing later on. I will zoom in because I want it to touch the line of the grid. Left mouse click. That's all you do. And we only need one part, so we can delete this one, or we can set it aside. Now we will delete it. Select one part, go to Edit Objects, click on Knife. In version 1 you cannot, because in version 1, version 1 doesn't cut lines, I think. Enter. Select that top part and delete it. No, that's okay. No, that's okay. And do the same here. Select a part, go to Knife, put your control key down for a straight line, left mouse click and enter. And delete. Now what we will do is over here, digitize rectangle square. Go over it. Select all, scroll down, red work, and click on it. And now it's one object. I will put a player on and you can see it's one object. So let me go back. Because now we have this one, and with this one you can do the same. Oh, let me stop the player. Select, go to knife, edit objects, knife, click here, enter, and delete that part. Select a part, click on knife, enter. Oh, that was too much. Like this. Go to digitize rectangle. Put a rectangle over it. Select all, scroll down, go to redwork, click on it. And you can see again, it's just one object. Now I put the player on. No stops, no jumps. It's just how it is. And this is not so good because it's getting on the outside, but well, I did it quick. And that's how you do it. So remember, in version 1, your knife, if I'm correct, cannot cut lines.